What is up, YouTube? Today we're checking out the Rhino USA folding survival shovel, 20-inch standard shovel. Comes with a heavy-duty carrying bag. Doesn't say heavy-duty shovel, so hopefully this thing is worth the money. So here's the product here. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. Alright, this is the product out of its heavy duty case. The product itself is fairly heavy. I'd say around 5 pounds or so. The metal itself doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel hollow. It's actually pretty thick, as you can see here. Pretty thick. Alright, so this thing is collapsible. Let's open it up. Just like that. Locks into place with these Allen key nuts and bolts here. This thing here, and it pops open just like that. And you got the locking nut here to prevent it from folding on itself. Alright, as you can see, it's a nice hefty weight, nice balance. The handle itself feels heavy duty, it does not wobble, well, slight wobble. And for its price point, it's not like $100 shovel or anything like that, but I would say it's definitely feels better than a shovel that you buy from Home Depot. It comes with a serrated edge. You get deep into those dirt and sand, cut through some roots or whatever. Anyways, this thing is made in China. Go figure, especially for the price point. Nice coated steel. Let's see how well this fares in dirt. Alright, we're back here. I forgot to mention one thing. This thing also doubles as a pick. If you put the shovel head, bend it 90 degrees, along with this end here, and you tie down the nut, now you got a nice little pick here. I was wondering what this thing was until I got back to the Amazon listing, and I was like, oh, it doubles as a pickaxe. So I decided to come back out and show you guys that this thing has another cool function. So yeah, back to the video. Alright, we're in the yard. This is some nice, thick, hard dirt, rocky as well. So let's see. Let's put some foot onto it. Let's see. Wow, it actually digs deep. One light step. As you can see, it's full of roots and whatnot. It seems to be cutting pretty well. I'm actually pretty surprised how well this thing just digs. This is really rocky and hard, compacted soil. See here. You can hear it, it's hard. Doing this one-handedly. Wow, I'm actually impressed. I might be using this for my garden work. Wow, this thing actually cuts deep. It's not really that sharp, but it does do the job. Getting into that dirt, breaking up the roots. Yeah, I think this thing will work great off-road. Gonna be heading out to the beach. Hopefully I won't have to use it, but if I will, I'm pretty confident this thing will work. If you guys want to check it out, I got a link in my description. And yeah, save some space and enjoy. See you next time.